Hi, welcome to Onmanorama Food. I'm Shruti, owner of the Magic Whisk. Today we are going to prepare some Valentine's Day treats which are super easy and super romantic. Your Valentine will love this. So we are going to make strawberry marshmallow skewers and chocolate covered strawberries. So to prepare the strawberry marshmallow skewers, first we need to cut off the top portion of the strawberries. Now we are going to arrange strawberries and marshmallows onto the wooden skewers. So take a wooden skewer and insert strawberry and a marshmallow. Again a strawberry. Similarly we can do the rest. Now skewers are ready. I have filled the melted chocolate into two different piping bags. One is white chocolate and this one is dark chocolate. Now I am going to drizzle the melted chocolate over the skewers. Our strawberry marshmallow skewers are ready. Now we are going to prepare chocolate covered strawberries. For that, take a strawberry and dip it into a melted chocolate. Place it onto a parchment paper. Now we can decorate the chocolate covered strawberries with either drizzling a melted chocolate or by using sprinkles. Our strawberry marshmallow skewers and chocolate covered strawberries are ready. Thank you for watching.